Well, it's gotten chilly, and it's starting to rain, but I'm going to try to get this deck oiled up, greased up. Jack will probably be back tomorrow, I would think. 210 John Deere. But I don't see, pretty clean. Pretty clean in here. I like that. Yes, there's no grease fittings. There's no grease fittings in this design. They turn good. Don't hear anything. So, all sealed bearings. It's all sealed bearings, so it's pretty clean. I wanted to make sure. This will move, but you know, there's not much to do here. Just make sure it's clean, and it's fairly clean. Sealed bearings. So that's alright. Definitely clean. I'll put that back on. I guess you really can't go wrong with how it goes because it has to go in those slots. This is a pretty good size crescent wrench. Yeah. I like it. Actually, I bought it just because, well, for one thing, you know, you can basically take it anywhere and use it, you know. Now we'll squirt up this thing a little bit. This is just like on the they go in here. This will go on the front of the track. Let's see, how does that work? Yeah, they go in here, pretty much like that. Looks like this. See what I mean? And then this thing pops on the front of the track. Whew, it's getting nasty outside. So we'll just kind of squirt that up a little bit. A little WD. This is the strangest can of WD. It doesn't spray when it's upright. You have to be upside down with it. I don't know why. But that's the way it is. So make sure these things kind of work them a little bit. Good. Keep everything kind of lubricated. Wheels. Keep everything lubricated. It's really the best thing to do. You know? Now, I'd like to stand this thing up against the garage there. We'll put the blades on. Okay. Hi, Betsy.
You have an Easter egg that got dropped in your driveway.
Oh, nice.
I don't know what you're supposed to do with it.
Well, that's pretty cool. Right? Was in the driveway?
Yeah, probably. I don't know where there's a nest, but
That's not real. Pretty cool though.
it is real.
Were you on your way to Syracuse?
Yes, I'm on my way to St. Camillus, and just as I was going out, Eric was coming with the hay.
Alright,
So
I'll
he's
go right
just
over there.
dropping it now.
I got your message, I sent you one,
Yeah.
and I said, well, I'll wait.
So
I
I
figured I'd,
started driving by, and I'm like, whoop, there's George.
yeah, I figured
So
I'd,
rather than make
put
a
these
call,
on.
give you
Cool.
a direct message.
I'll, as soon as I'll fill this in and I'll head over there, okay?
Okay.
Put them in. Not raining too hard yet. Oh, it's actually,
Yeah.
in the last half hour, I'm like, whoa,
Still April.
yeah, nice.
So,
Okay,
okay.
tell Bob I said hello. Alright,
Okay,
and I'll
thank
take care of
you.
that. That Betsy, and she Bob, who actually got hurt in a trucking accident. So, that's done. That mower deck is, although, you know, it has some rust spots on it, obviously, on the deck. They get that way. It's all lubed up. New blades on. She's ready to rock and roll. Like I said, that was Betsy that just pulled in, and I've got to go over to the barn and put hay away. So, I gotta do that. Yep. Well, I just got here in time. Oh, these are the bales of hay I gotta get in. So you can see in here, I got one bale there. This is the barn. Kind of dark in here. And stuff. But oh, come on, hook. Will ya? There. Oh, I got to get them in here. Line them up. I got to start that old Bobcat. Well, it's not. I don't think it's a Bobcat, is it? What is this? Oh, it's a case. But yeah, it's raining in here too, so I guess I better get them in before they really get soaking. Well, she got a soft tire, the case does. That's why it hops around, but I got to change that. Well, we got a few cows here. There's 3. I don't know if they're hungry or not. They look hungry to me. Probably ought to feed some. They look hungry, so I'll bust this bale open and feed it. Hey, bossy? Oh. Don't look like good hay on the outside. They never do. They're stored on the outside, so we'll bust this bale open. I've always carried this around. Actually, you don't know what this is. This is actually, you know, you can cut hooves with it for gold, or, but it does well for this. I could just find the fork. On this thing. Quite cantankerous, but it works good. See if I can set you right in here. right? Pretty good, I think. I'll feed a little bit to her. She's got a crooked neck. I'll show you her. I can't find a fork. I left the fork here, but I can't find it. So it must be in the milk house. This was an old dairy farm, but it hasn't been that way in years now. So. Pump to that crooked neck girl. Rest goes in another pen there. She got into a fight with well, it wasn't a fight really. I mean, they started beating, the bulls started fighting, and they shoved her down a creek. And when that happened, she just fell over, and then she couldn't get up anymore, so basically what happened to her. I feel sad for her though. Oh. I feel bad for her. She's waiting for some hay.
there too, so I just wanted to give her a little bit of extra. Hey, look at her. Her name is Moonshine, so anybody who's watching, you can say hello to Moonshine with a crooked neck. Yeah, it was terrible. They said rolled right down an embankment and that's basically it. I've been riding around in my jacket. Right there. You'd think, oh man, this thing is crazy, but that tire right there has got to get changed. But other than that, it's actually a good machine. Needs probably some greasing. Well, I give these guys some hay and them guys some hay. How you guys doing? Ugh. That didn't work out very well, did it? There. Everybody's fed now. She don't like her hay, you can tell. Crooked neck. We got some more hay. Alright. Yeah, there was the milking parlors in there. Oh, this is an old barn now. They just have some, maybe 20 head of cattle here. Oop, wrong gate. And that's about it. And Bob hurt himself, so I'm kind of like feeding. I've got to clean this whole barn, all that manure that you see. It's all got to go. So I've got to do that. I'll probably bring my my Massey over and close that gate. Use the case. And over there in the corner, there's a door, there's a chute. Put the manure spreader under there. And just slide all this manure down to that end of the barn and then just shove it out the door into the manure spreader and then get it out of here. Because it's time for cleaning barn. It's full. They haven't done it, I don't know. Probably all winter. But you know, they weren't dairy farming it anymore, you know, and basically you know, it really wasn't a priority to do any of. Oh, there's the fork. There she is. Huh. Yeah, so that door down there opens and you just slide it open and then there's a 40-20 hook down there behind this old Badger wagon. Everything's kind of run down right now because, as I said, it hasn't been a working farm in years. But cows got to always get fed that they have, and help them as much as I can. So I might go up on the hill there and look for a little bolt I lost yesterday. 'Cause it's not raining too hard right now. You'd think I would be crazy to go look for a bolt, but I'm gonna go look for it. Alright, I'm not bringing the camera out in the rain right now. It's still raining a little bit, so hope you enjoyed that. That's what I do. Just help people. Pretty much it. I do make money doing things, but this is my neighbor and he needs help, so I help him. Help the goat farm. Kind of like doing it. So subscribe. Watch everything I do. There's a lot to do. The garden work and everything. So hope you enjoy them. "20 minutes, I found it. You can see that this, let's see, don't fall over. Alright, well this, it goes into the rope system, but it's not the original. I've filmed it before, but there's sort of like a rubber washer that goes in here. As you, this wing nut, it's just a tightener. You tighten this bolt, this part here, you just kind of turn it up, it gets tight, and then you just lock it in with this one. So, that's missing, that little rubber washer, but I'll go get one of those. I found the other one yesterday, and I can't believe it, but I found it in amongst all these stones today. I had a little time, and I said, well, you know what? I'm gonna go look for it, and I found it. I can't believe it. I probably could have made another one, but sometimes, you know, you just want the original. It was with a tractor, so I'm really happy I found it. That's pretty cool. Telling you what.